Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today's Thursday, May 15th. Well, I want to say that the market is back on track again, but it's not the market that's back on track, it's me. Market never left the track. It stayed there. I got off, but I'm back on, and it looks like the market's back on, but it's just me. Okay, good technical day. I mean, lots of evidence to show you that this market wants to go higher. Just the feel of it. The rallies are just so strong, and they hold up, and just got a good feel to it. But I've got evidence, and I'll show you the evidence in our final segment when we go over our major indexes. But first, as always, I have another idea again for you tomorrow. And after that, we'll take a look at the stock we bought today, THC, and we'll see how that's still shaping up. So without further ado, our idea for tomorrow is EMKR. MCOR Corporation. It's a semiconductor. It's in the right group. The whole group acts good, and this one is way behind. So we're gonna get on board this one. So in just a moment, I'll show you the chart, and I'll show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. Don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of EMKR. And this is a call on the long side. And we like to buy the stock somewhere between $7.90 and $8.15. I know it sounds like a wide range there, but my target up here is 15. So when you compare the little range of the buying is to where it wants to go, it's a little drop in the bucket. Okay, what do I see? Well, we're going to turn into a 9-day chart to show you how solid this area is that it's just popping out of. This is a 9-day chart, and this is the big support area right here where I have the line, top of this pattern. This is where this whole thing broke out of. Comes back down, holds, kicks off it, comes back down, holds, and now it's just starting to break out. Now let's go back to a 1-day, because this pattern here is happening where it's supposed to happen, and it has good technical support and reasons. And this is nothing more than a simple breakout of a long base pattern. It doesn't get any simpler than this technical analysis. And this is our breakout price. I've been watching this stock for quite a while. I was watching it when it was over here, and I waited and waited and waited and waited. I knew it had to get above this price before it broke out. And yesterday it did, but I brought you something else, but I'm bringing it to you today. Now this is the support area down in here. It may pull back in here first, and it may not. So you're taking your chance. What I'm going to do is I'm going to buy some in the morning, and then if it does pull back and touch support, I'll buy some more. But I will at least want to get a position started in this in case it doesn't pull back, because I do believe it's going to get here to my target of $15. Okay, so it's a simple little breakout of a big base pattern. Like I said, it doesn't get much simpler than that in technical analysis. Okay, recap, EMKR call on the long side, and I think we can make $7 on that trade. Let's take a look at the stock we bought this morning, THC, Tenet Healthcare, and see how that's shaping up. Shaping up great. See that little flat top? That's a perfect thing to break out of, because it looks just like this one over here. And this one over here. Okay, so I bought this at $5.75, and then I bought more at $5.65, and that was it. I'm done. So my average cost is $5.70. We put that in the portfolio, and hopefully in a week or two we'll be getting out of it around $7.50, $8 maybe. We'll see how it goes. It definitely has the look. All right, let's go to the major indexes, because I want to show you all the evidence. First, we're going to look at the Dow. Now the Dow is one of the only indexes actually that did make a new high today, but it's got such a great looking bullish formation here with this ascending triangle forming that it's only a day or two away of making a new high. Look at that ascending triangle. Very, very good looking. Alright, I expect to see the market sometime next week up in here, and then when that happens, we will have this as our support line, the old high. Once we get up here on the next pullback, and there will be a pullback, there always is, that will be our support area. So although it did make a new high, it certainly has a great look to it. Let's take a look at the transports. They made a new recovery high, the transports, and they closed right on the high of the day. These truly are the leaders. Now let's take a look at the SPYs, which represent the Standard & Poor's 500. They also tweaked out a new recovery high. More evidence. The QQQs, another recovery high, even higher than where the big scary sell-off. I got so many emails about, what about that scary sell-off? And that's why I had to write in my on my site that it doesn't matter what time of the day it happens. It's all about the context and the picture that it happens in. It doesn't matter whether it happens in the morning or in the afternoon. Okay, so another new high. That's more evidence. And let's see what else we can look at. Look at the New York Stock Exchange Index. New high there. So there's just evidence everywhere that this market wants to go higher, and it feels like it wants to go higher. Anyway, that's my view of the market. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.